Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, check apps that are compatible with the Google Pay app. You can view all of your payment methods and get help info while you shop. If you go to payment, you can add payment method, and in the end, in passes, you can manage your passes. If you go to menu, you can check your Google accounts, your activity, you can check full list of participating banks, and enter promo code. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, manage location settings, and edit your account info. Also, you can enable or disable purchase notifications, offers and tips notifications, where you can use passes notifications and updates about your passes. In the end, you can go to help and support, send feedback and about. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.